Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the WhatsApp Business app step by step. If you want to manage customers, sell products, or keep business chats separate, this is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, go to the App Store or Play Store and download WhatsApp Business. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your business phone number. You can also transfer your existing chats from your regular WhatsApp account if you've been using it for business. Now, let's set up your profile. Tap on Settings, then go to Business Profile. Here, you can add your business name, description, location, website, and business hours. This helps customers understand your business instantly. Next, explore the Business Tools section. Here, you can create a catalog to showcase your products or services. You can also set up automated messages like greeting messages for new customers and away messages when you're offline. This saves you a lot of time. You can even organize chats using labels and manage customer conversations more easily. And the best part, you can use both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on the same phone. And that's it.